Hey everybody, welcome back to R18 Summers. Let's see, it's Sunday and we are heading to Clearwater Beach, hopefully to Pier 60.
Look at my shell.
Nice, I like it. Okay. Oh no, Alex. Woohoo! What do you think, Carter? Alex, you find anything good? Any good shells? No? Ha ha ha. Carter, you helping, buddy? Carter! Carter, are you helping? What do you think, Cater?
Shush, I'm trying to concentrate.
Yeah, what do you think?
Trying to concentrate.
I'm trying to concentrate on what?
Finding seashells?
What?
Finding seashells?
Ah, sneaky. Carter.
I wanted to show the go. So I'm doing something right now. GoPro. It's gonna take 1 second, maybe a minute. Actually, yeah, more like a minute. Okay, now. You're buried in the sand.
Hey everybody, we just spent the day at Clearwater Beach at Pier 60. Had a ton of fun. The water felt really cold when you first put your feet in, but over the course of playing in the sand and making bunches of sand castles, we definitely ended up jumping in the water. Girls, what did you think about the day?
I really loved it.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
The whole beach.
The whole beach, okay. Alex, what did you like to do?
Find my parts of the sand dollar.
So you found a bunch of sand dollar pieces? Yeah, nice. Cool. That's fun, fun, fun. All right, do you guys want to come back?
Mm-hmm.
All right, how many thumbs up do you give it?
My
20?
fingers are thumbs.
10 thumbs up? All right. So some of the things that helped us get through the day was we were able to, or Christy was able to pack lunches, and we hit a little bit of traffic getting into the actual city when you come across the bridge on 60. And that gave us a perfect opportunity to kind of eat and get some of that stuff out of the way so that when we got to our destination, we were able to just jump in and start having some fun. So that was helpful. And then we also had a couple snacks left over at the end of the day that, as you can see from Alex, was just finishing up. So definitely was enough to tide us over and get us through the day.
So I would say, and this goes for a lot of places that we've been to, and probably a lot of you that have traveled at all know this, but at least if you can bring a small cooler full of water, it'll save you a ton of money. And if not, if you can add a bag of snacks and even a jar of peanut butter and some bread, or we had that for some of the kids, and then we also had for lunch a little pouch of ham that we kept in our cooler. We don't normally keep meat like all day in the cooler just because I get worried about keeping that type of food all day long, but usually you can at least pack lunch and then snacks and save yourself a lot of money, and if nothing else, water.
Cool. Well, that's our Clearwater, Florida day. Hopefully we want to come back, and hopefully we can do that soon. There is one thing that we didn't do this time that we really wanted to do, and that was the playground. So the reason why we didn't do that was we spent the whole day playing in the sand and all that good stuff, and we just got washed our feet off, and we realized that the whole playground was in essentially a big sand pit. So we didn't want to get everyone dirty again. We hit the abort button and got out of there.
We're also trying to get back to the campground so we can cook dinner and save a little more money. We'll see how that works out.
Yep. And it just turned 6 o'clock, so we got a 2-hour drive.
So let's get going.
So let's get going. So some of the tips that we did that I think got us through the day was, one, we brought food. Here's my circus animal, Christy. Welcome.
Did that just call you a Vulcan?
A Vulcan.
Wow, this is devolving really fast.
Yeah.